All right, recording is rolling. So it is Tuesday, November 1st. We are in November. So we're going to go over solutions to AP Classroom Unit 4. That's energy conservation. Uh, Tomorrow, remember, we're going to head outside to the balcony for a lab. I will have you guys do an AP style lab right after this. So just give you guys a day to think about this. You guys remember those spring launchers, those ball launchers, right? So we're going to do a really similar setup experiment. Actually, you know what? I sort of remember I left it kind of open-ended how I had you guys do it. I don't think very many of you guys like where's my set for this? Okay. Or at least if my memory is right. I don't know. Trust my memory. Did you guys go up to the balcony and then launch it horizontally? Did you guys do that? Okay, yeah, maybe like one team, right? So I'm gonna have you guys do this setup specifically. Measure what is this height fall and where does it land. Now, if you can measure those things, thank you. Do you think you can go back to kinematic motion, like projectiles, and calculate how fast this was blasted? And then if you know the speed of this being blasted, right, and maybe you would also know the mass of the ball being launched, you can maybe set up an energy conservation right at this point. Say, well, let's see, at some point there was a spring that was compressed. It was compressed some distance, maybe like 0.03 meters or something like that. That would be like 3 centimeters, 0.03 meters. I don't know if that's the exact number, but it's probably something close to that. Okay? And then if you know the mass of the ball, say, okay, well, the spring energy turned into kinetic energy right as it was leaving the launcher, right? And then so you can go back and calculate what the spring constant was. You guys ready to get that? All right, give you guys maybe too many hints, but I mean that's something you have to like ideally be able to figure out from scratch. But here, at least I planned some ideas. You guys can think about that tomorrow. But we'll do like a full AP style write up. I'll pull out a grading rubric and so that'll be tomorrow's adventure. I do, of course, want to go over college physics problems with you guys. I think we're going to do a fast version of this, and then I'll just have those due on Monday instead. So we're going to bump the due date to Monday. Of course, you can always knock them out early, right? Like give them tonight if you want. Because Friday, I want to take that day to allocate the class time just to doing that bear test, which was related to NIMSY. Right? So you guys are definitely gonna bring your laptops in Friday, right? And if there are a couple of guys who don't have your laptop for whatever reason, then by Friday, I will get you guys your next quiz, your energy quiz, because I always give you guys a few days to do that, right? So yeah, so if you don't have a laptop, then what you can do is just work on the quiz in class, which will probably easily take across for you. Okay, all right. Yeah, go ahead.
So for the unit 4 thing, I tried doing it last night and then it like kicked me out when let me continue it.
Okay. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and reopen it later today, and then yeah, I think there's a handful of guys who still need to finish that. So yeah, I'll open it later today. All right. So let's switch over to AP Classroom and go over these solutions.